Introduce features you looking for and fast overview on Forney 420220 AC/DC TIG Welder package. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. The Forney 220 AC/DC TIG Welder is an ideal TIG machine for a wide variety of users. Perfect for beginners to professionals, this powerful machine features dual voltage with 120-volt 230-volt input power. The ability to weld up to 1/2 inch and 220 amps of welding power makes machine a great tool for professionals. The intuitive controls allow for quick setup and simple operation. This machine features amperage control settings as low as 5 amps, pulse capabilities, AC balance capabilities, and allows users to weld with low frequency. What's more, the ability to use AC and DC power makes welding anything from mild steel to aluminum a breeze. If you do not understand, not sure, or have questions from we described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.